Let's look at this question, please. The question here says, verify that the function y equal to a plus bx all multiplied by exponential minus x is a solution for the squared y over the x squared plus 2 dy dx plus y equal to 0. So how do we solve this? Now, here's the idea behind this. If they say that this is a solution of this, what do you do? Now, this is y. If you look at the given function here, this one here, you can see the y dx, you can see the squared y over the x squared. Your task is simple. Write down your y value. Y is equal to a plus bx exponential minus x. From this, find the value of what there, dy dx. Also find the value of what there, the squared y over what there, the x squared. All right, let's get this done. From here, we can say that y is equal to, depends on how you want to solve this. You can solve this as a product rule because it is this one has a bit of x here, this multiplying this. But for convenience sake, let me first of all do what there, expand them. So expand the term, this a times this gives you what there, a exponential negative x plus bx times this gives you what there, bx exponential negative x. So this is the value of y in its expanded form. Let's get the y dx. From here, dy dx is equal to, let's start with this. Let's start with this, please. Let's differentiate this. A is a constant. So if I want to differentiate this, what do? Focus on the power. The power here is what there? Minus x. Differentiate minus x, what do you get there? Minus 1. Use minus 1 to multiply this. It gives you what there? Minus a exponential minus x. I am done differentiating this one here. It's gone. Right? Just focus on the power. The power here is minus x. Differentiate minus x with respect to x gives you minus 1. Use minus 1 to multiply this. It gives you minus of this. That's it. Plus, in this one here, you can't say this is a constant. Just multiply. No. The constant has what there? X. It becomes what there? Product rule question. For product rule, this is what there? U. This is what there? V. Let's use product rule. Product rule says V, this one first. That's exponential minus xv into du dx. Differentiate this with respect to x. If I differentiate bx, what do you get there? B, that's a constant, plus u is bx, dv dx. Differentiate exponential minus x, what do you get there? Minus exponential minus x. The task is again, focus on the power. Differentiate minus x gives you minus 1. Minus 1 times, I'm working with just v now. So minus 1 times this gives you this. Okay, help me expand this. What do you have here? Let me click this one here. Expand this. What do you have here? Minus a exponential minus x, plus b exponential minus x minus bx minus bx exponential minus x. So this is the value of dy dx. On a normal case, at this point, you're supposed to swap them, right? Concept being that you don't start, if you have a positive term in a particular given equation, start with what there? The positive term first. More like saying that dy dx, okay, let me just do that. Dy dx, start with positive first. That becomes what there? B exponential minus x. Now take the negatives. Becomes minus a exponential minus x. The other negative minus bx exponential minus x. This is a better form of writing this. Positive first before negative. Right? But if you have all negative, then don't stress. Again, still, considering the fact that this one here will be plugged in to this equation. Even if you leave it here, there's no problem. Right? If you leave it, there's no problem. Let's proceed. Let's now get the squared y all over the x squared. Start with this one first. Let's differentiate this. First things first, this is a constant. And this, so focus on the power. If I differentiate minus x, it gives you what there? Minus 1. Use minus 1 to multiply everything here. What do you get there? Becomes minus b exponential minus x. Sorted. Come to this one here. What's the power here? Oh, before then, this is a. It's a constant. Don't stress. Focus on the exponential term. The power here is minus x. Differentiate minus x gives you what there? Minus 1. Use minus 1 to multiply this. Now look up, please. It's minus 1 multiplying minus a. Minus 1 times minus a gives you what there? Plus a exponential minus x. Come to this. For this one here, you have to be very, very smart about this. Because this one is looking somehow. Be very smart about this. How do you solve this one here? Minus, so it becomes minus times whatever thing you have there. So minus times in bracket, please, very important. So see the way this is done, right? Well, you can say which one? You can say this and then minus b. But hold on, depends on how you want to work with this. You can say minus. This is product rule, right? So here's what there u and here's what there v. So I'm trying to say this. You can say minus, then use brackets, then differentiate this. Everything multiplied by what there minus, or you can say u should be what there minus bx. That one also works. But for now, just to be on the safe side, let me use my so negative of differentiate this. Now, product true v. What's v there? Exponential minus x du dx. Differentiate u is now bx, please. Differentiate bx with respect to x. What do you get there? B plus u. What's u there? U is bx. Differentiate v, this one here. If I differentiate exponential negative x, what do you get there? Minus exponential minus x. So we said differentiate the power. The power here is minus x. Differentiate minus x, you have minus 1. Minus 1 times v. This gives you minus of this. Right, so you have this. Okay. From here, you have that the squared y all over the x squared, it's equal to what do I have here? Minus b exponential minus x plus a exponential minus x minus to this minus times b minus b exponential minus x minus times plus minus times minus plus this one here bx exponential minus x. Again, you can say bring the positive first, but let's not stress about it. Right? Let's not stress about it. All right. So at this juncture, please write this value out. Write out this value for me. This is the value of y. Call this equation 1. That's the value of y. This is the value of dy dx. Call this equation 2. Then this value here. Call this equation 3. Let's fix these three. This into giving this one here. Second order differential equation. Can it be? Okay, yes. This can be further simplified, right? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. This can be further simplified. Thank you for that, sir. This is equal to, let's further simplify this because they're like terms, right? Yes. Minus b exponential minus x. And then minus b exponential minus x. So it's more like saying minus 1 gives you what there? Minus 2 of it. So minus 2b exponential minus x. Yes, thank you. That works. Any other like terms? Nope. This one here. Plus a exponential minus x. Then this one here. Plus bx exponential minus x. All right, so I have this. Yeah, thank you for that. So this is basically your third equation. What I have here is equation 3. Please copy down equation 1, 2, 3. I want to clean everything and then use them, please. So please look up, look up, look up, look up, please. Give me the value of this one here. Give me the value again there, please. Minus 2b exponential minus x, okay? Uh, plus a exponential minus x plus it's not enter here. Let me shorten this. It's not everything can enter here. All right. Please give me this one again, please. Minus 2b exponential minus x plus a exponential minus x plus bx exponential. That's for this, right? Next up, plus 2. So plus 2 into, give me this value. What do you have there? B exponential minus x minus a exponential minus x minus bx exponential minus x. All right, so that's the value of dy dx plus y. So plus, give me the expanded value of y. A exponential minus x plus bx exponential what there? Minus x. All right. All right, let's get this done. So what do I have here? This is minus 2b exponential minus x, this one here, plus a exponential minus x plus bx exponential minus x, used to expand this, plus what there? 2b exponential minus x, this and this, minus 2a exponential minus x, this and this, so minus 2 to this, oh sorry, plus 2 to minus b, minus 2b x exponential minus x. Bring down this man, plus a exponential minus x plus bx exponential minus x. Right, so I have this. So what do you have here? Let's collect like terms. So let's see this. Minus 2b. Let's look for b exponential x. You have it there? It's here, right? So you're having minus 2b exponential minus x plus 2b exponential minus x. They can cancel out, right? So minus 2b will cancel out plus 2b. It's off. Next up, you have a exponential minus x. You have this as a, this term is here, 1, is also here, 2, is also here, 3. So what I have here simply becomes a exponential minus x. This minus 2 exponential minus x gives you what there? Minus a. So it's more like saying, what's the coefficient here? 1, Abby? 1. What do you have here? Minus 2 of it. What do you have here? Plus 1. So look at this. If I take 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is what there? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 gives you what there? 0. It cancels out. So it means that this will cancel, this will cancel, this also off. Look for the bx exponential. This one occurs here, right? Let me give this double lining. 1, 2. Bx exponential x. Look at the same thing in here. Bx exponential minus x, double lining. Bx exponential minus x, double lining. Observe the same thing plays out. This is the coefficient here is what there? 1. 1. What do you have here? Minus 2. What do you have here? Plus 1. So it becomes simply 1 minus 2. That becomes what there? Minus 1 plus 1 becomes what there? 0. It cancels out. So this is off. This is off. And this is off. Excuse me. What do you observe here? What is left, right? This is equal to what there? 0. Now say proven. What do you call it? Proven or proved? Proved or proven? Proven. Proved. Proven. Okay? Proved. Alright, so this is how you solve this question. So we've proved that it is actually the solution of the second order differential equation. So that's how you do it basically.
Get more by joining our Differential Equations channel membership or visit www.jonimanual.com/courses and get the Differential Equations Made Easy course. Both links in video description. Get more by joining our Differential Equations channel membership or visit www.jonimanual.com/courses and get the Differential Equations Made Easy course. Both links in video description.